Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahmawati. I am student of English literature. Okay, here I would like to presentations about social linguistic and sociology of language. Before going to social linguistic and sociology of language, I would like to give explanation about the difference between language and society. Language is the ability that humans have to communicate with other humans using signs, for example, words and gestures. As we know that language is our way to communications between one another. So language also not just by the word, it's also can by the language and other. Dalam bahasa juga terbagi menjadi dua, yaitu bahasa lisan dan bahasa isyarat, yang mana bahasa lisan mungkin sudah biasa kita gunakan sebagaimana orang-orang normal pada biasanya. Namun bahasa isyarat itu biasa digunakan oleh orang-orang yang memang berkebutuhan khusus, yang mana mereka lebih menggunakan isyarat seperti gerakan jari atau bahasa tubuh. So, society is a group of people who are closely intertwined because of certain system, certain traditions, certain convention and law that are the same and lead to collective lives. Oke, ilmu sosial ini yaitu ilmu yang mana mempelajari tentang masyarakat, hubungan masyarakat, perbedaan antara agama, jenis kelamin, terus jabatan, komunitas dan lain sebagainya, itu dipelajari dalam ilmu society. So, social linguistic. Di sini saya akan membahas tentang definition of social linguistic, field of social linguistic and conclusion. Tapi saya tidak akan menjelaskan sedetail mungkin field of social linguistic. Saya hanya menyebutkan bagian-bagiannya saja. There are 5 part of field of social linguistic. The first is varieties of language. The second is language in context. The third is language maintenance and shift. The fourth is language change, and the last is language planning. So definitions between linguistic and social linguistic, it is so different. Stowell said that linguistic is the scientific study of humans' language, meaning, form, and context. So Hudson said that social linguistic is the study of language in relations to society. So contrast between social linguistic and sociology of language. It is different. When social linguistic, its main focus in society on language, but sociology of language, its main focus in its language effect on society. So here I have the difference between social linguistic and sociology of language from definition, focus, and study. The definition of social linguistic is the study of language in relation to social factors, including different religions, genders, bilingual, dialect, with what I say before. But sociology of language is the definition that's the study of the relations between language and society, and the focus between them also different. When social linguistic is focused on language, but social linguistic it's focused on society. So the study of them is so different. When sociology is focused, its study examines how social factors affects language, but sociology of language is examine the relationship between society and language. So what is social linguistics? Social linguistics is the study of the connection between language and society and the way people use language in different social situations. When we speak in social situation or in different social, that we can speak by that different language also. So the next is sociology of language. Sociology of language that focus on how a society relates to language to have much understanding of social structures. different society use different language too. The example like this one, when we gather with our big family, that we use by formal language because we in social structure, different social structure. But when we speak with usually friend or young woman more young than us, we speak by informal language. So here I have one example. In our pledge we have Bisaya. Other pledge has Hiligay known that Waray and many more. So the conclusion basically sociolinguistic deals with language, society, relationship, and its study is based on empirical analysis from real life social context. Sociolinguistic is different with sociology of language. Sociolinguistic focus on society of language, while sociology of language is focused on language effects on society. Thanks a lot for attention. And last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.